Chile is a country of unique nature, and it is much more than just 4,000 kilometers of amazing landscapes. Chile is the history of its people you will be able to meet. Chile is full of experiences and adventures that you will cherish in your mind forever. Chile is full of flavors and a great passion for wine that will surprise you over and over again. Chile is culture, colors, and new sensations that you just can't miss. That's why we invite you to visit it and enjoy it. Because Chile is open nature.